Hey guys, so starting right here on the island, I have a couple things here that I knew I definitely wanted over here. So I want to keep it simple, classy, cute, right? All those things, and still gingerbready and just how I'm feeling at this moment, right? So yes, on the 12 days of Christmas, I picked this up thrifting. It's a Better Homes and Gardens serving dish, right? And oh my goodness, it's so pretty. I paid $3 for it. So yes on that. And I instantly knew that this is where I wanted it to go. I can't see it going in any other space because of the size of it. You know what I mean? So yes on that. And then this is the cookie jar that I grabbed from Aldi's, right? These I grabbed. These are all the reindeers. They're tiny plates that I grabbed thrifting, right? So Dasher, Dancer, you know, all of them are here. So I kind of wanted to, the only place I feel like they would look nice is in here with, you know, in the kitchen. So, yeah, Cupid, right? So they're all rocking. This is just a candle, some pine cones, and then, let me scoot this over here. So these are the ornaments. These are ornaments that I grabbed from Walmart, right? And then this is the box, the present box that I grabbed from the Target Bullseye's Playground. So, you know, I was saying I will put my Keurig, you know, the K-cups in here, or either the capsules for the Nespresso. But I was like, you know what? I think I want that here, the house with the presents. I made it like that, and I love it. It just is simple and it's just perfect. So yeah, I'm gonna put everything on the plate. Okay, so over here on the girls' table, these are the mugs that I'm using for the mug holder this year. And you guys, I am not using Ray Dunn this year. I don't think I've ever not used Ray Dunn. I'm excited about it. So these are the 12 days of Christmas mugs that go with the platter that is on the island. So yes on that. And then that's the cake plate. I think that came from Target, I feel like, right? Some salt and pepper shakers, the official cookie tester, and I just threw some things in there. I try to always have something over here, but keep it simple because the girls have, you know, all their things over here. Yes, on the mats that I grabbed from Target, hubby really likes these. He said they look super fun, and they are, right? So, you know, we just, you know, riding through, right? The Christmas countdown is here, and all of this is going on in there. So they are really, really fun. I thought it was perfect. As soon as I saw them in Target, they went in the cart. So yeah, the 12 days of Christmas. So I'm going to put these on a mug holder. And you know, it's always something rocking on the table, right? Sydney's good over there. Her little guitar. I think that's some Wicked lip gloss and a Wicked microphone that she's been rocking forever, right? So yes on that. Here is the Disney map from Burlington. This is from Target. Yes on that. And yes on the Aldi gingerbread candle. Oh my goodness. I didn't light it yet. So yeah, simple. I just put the rolling pin back here, the peppermint. And yeah, I'm good to go. Moving right on over here. Oh my goodness. So I feel like I created a bunch of vignettes over here. It's so cute and it came out so good. I changed it like 3 times, but now I'm satisfied. My crock baker's gonna bake. All the spatulas and all the things, some new, some old, right? Baking Spirits Bright. I just grabbed that from Target this year. I threw a ribbon on there. This is the box from Dollar Tree, right? So yes, on the recipe box. These salt and pepper shakers are thrifted. So yeah, this was probably one of the early things that I got, like when I first started thrifting. So that whole brown, right? I thought it was perfect. I put the plate here for my spoons because if I cover it with things, it's just, I'm not going to enjoy it. So I will use it for, you know, if I'm cooking, I'll throw the spoons on here, right? So moving over here, I have my candle warmer. I have the Bath and Body Works cookie butter truffle in here, right? And just, you know, just some gingerbread rocking right here. So this and over here, right? These were the gingerbread from Aldi's. So these are the measuring cups. I really didn't know what they look like until I got home and opened them. I was like, how is this rocking? But it's rocking. So yes on that. I just threw some gingerbread ornaments in here like cookies, right? But back over here, so the smaller one, I put my sea salt in here, my coarse sea salt. So good on top of the cookies, like that sweet and salty after I bake them. So yes on that. The measuring spoons are up here, right? And then right in the back here. At first I had my mixer and then I thought about it. I was like, I don't want to keep pulling my mixer out of the corner like that. So yes on Santa with the gingerbread. This is from last year, but the Christmas cookies, the cookbook, that's thrifted from this year, like 2 days ago. So, oh my goodness, I love it so much. That book is 30 years old. Yes on that. So I just put some of the little tiny, remember these from Target, right? Bullseye's Playground on there. So yeah.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi,
How
Kat.
are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Excuse me, Mommy.
Oh, I'm in her way. Let me back it up. So yes on everything over here. I don't feel like it's too much going on. I think it's all blending perfectly. My mixer is rocking over here, right? Mickey and Minnie sticking out the top. And this is the towel. I pulled one of the towels out from, remember that big bundle of towels that I grabbed from Aldi's? They were gingerbread. So this was the one I thought flowed better. So I put that one here. All of my good is in there that I use every single time I bake, my measuring cups and all of that. So yes on that. And even stepping back and looking at it now, like I feel like maybe because the KitchenAid is always here, it just looks better. And then seeing that Christmas cookies book back there, fire. I love it. And then I have my Mickey timer down there too. So yeah, it smells so good too with that cookie candle. I wanted to get down low a little bit so it wouldn't be a glare, so you'd be able to see. I thought it was fun. I saw it on TikTok. So I grabbed it, but it's all of our names, gingerbread inside of the cup. So yes on that. So this runner, I grabbed it from Walmart. I saw on a TikTok or something I was watching, someone was decorating and they had this and I was like, oh my goodness, I love it so much. So yeah, Hershey already got to it. You see the snag right there? Girl, oh my goodness. But yes, look at the Disney tree. And over here on the coffee bar, right? My coffee bar is tiny, so it's hard for it not to get crazy quickly. You know what I mean? But I still try to tame it a little bit. So the Santa's cookies has the Keurig, you know, the K-cups in here. Some marshmallows are rocking. I think this might have been Ross last year, maybe, I think. And this, so snug. It's the perfect size. Look at that. It fit right in there. The cup, you know, that's the gingerbread from Aldi's, right? And this was the bowl from Aldi's. So I put all of my Nespresso capsules in here. So it's, you know, a couple gingerbread and peppermint is in there. So yes on that. The mug, Burlington, I feel like. And then my whipped cream with, you know, the Mickey hat with the Santa hat. So yes on the gingerbread caddy. I thought this was cute over here. So I just stuck all of my other stuff in here, like the cinnamon nutmeg, right? The cocoa powder. Here's the peppermint, right? That candy cane. And you know those sprinkles, the salted caramel from Walmart. And then this one I think is double chocolate. These peppermint spoons are from Target Bullseye's Playground. And then there's some more sprinkles here. Christmas tree. So I love it. It came out so cute. I love the caddy. So yeah, I kept it simple. I really try hard not to crowd it. And I always try to not make it look the same as the year before. So I think I did good. I did add these cookies over here. They were on a coffee bar, but I switched some things up. Yes, on the cookies and cream cookies. I was dying to make these. I did the peanut butter and jelly ones and the chocolate chip walnut ones. I really, really wanted the cookies and cream ones because me and Sydney are such huge fans of those. So yes, on that, I had everything all measured out and ready to go. So this is in real time. I feel like this is how the mixer is flowing, you know. I sped it up a little bit, but once I, you know, put that flour in there, I only want to mix it just enough until the flour is almost gone. I don't want to over mix the batter. And yeah, here we go right here over to the island, right? So I have my helper. Sydney is all about it, and she's not leaving any cookies behind, right? So yes on that. She's up there singing now. She loves doing this, and I love that she loves doing this. You know what I mean? So yeah, she was all in it. So this was before the Wicked movie. So you'll see, you know, I'm going to be using the Wicked sprinkles that I grabbed from Walmart. And I always freeze my cookies at least a half hour, but these actually were frozen for a little bit, and then I bake them from frozen always. I like big fat cookies, and yeah, there they are right there. So I'm going to get them in. And I'm going to split them up because, again, see, I'm like feeling that they're hard. So I like big cookies, and yeah, this is how they came out. As soon as I pulled them out, I put some more good on top of that, right? Sprinkled them up with Alphaba and Glenda. And oh my goodness, they were so good. Oh, they were so good. But all right, you guys, I am going to end it here. Just as kind of a recap, right, of everything I did in the kitchen. So a little old, a little new, right? Gingerbread, peppermint. Everything came out just the way I wanted it to. I tweaked some things, right? I must have switched up some things maybe 3 times. Minor things, but it all worked out. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, you guys. I feel like I'm competing with Sydney because she's singing. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, you guys. And next, we will be in the living room unwrapping the winter white tree. And yeah, we'll be good to go, moving right along. I'll see you soon. Bye.